Alright guys, I'm tearing into this thing. I may cut this thing in and out, kind of save some time. We're gonna... Man, I ain't got no place to put shit. Here we go. But I believe it's snapped right inside here, so I'll probably have to do a whole bunch of shit here, but I'll probably run out of space on my phone before this video's over. But I got to do it because I ordered the axle for it, and it is not here yet. But oh boy, I did this before and see if it works. I thought I drilled some frickin' holes. There we go. I did somewhere. Get into where you get into. How did I do that before? Come on, you little rascal. Okay. I'm blind, apparently, so let's see. Well, there's the hole. Okay. Get on in there, Junior. Probably had to drill another hole in this thing, too. But I still got to get in behind there. Feels a little bit loose anyway, so maybe I'll do it. But for now, I'll just wing it here. Here's that guy. Get on out of here. This thing's just in the way. Get that sucker out of the way. Alright. But I got a feeling when this comes out, it'll just come apart. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Don't lose that sleeve. Good Lord, that's a bugger to find. Oh, maybe I snapped it inside. Okay. Back up top. No, I didn't drill a hole for that guy, but... Alright, what did he do with it? Here we go. Come on now. Ooh, sleeve. Them little sleeves, I'll tell you what, you lose that, and kind of shit out of luck. I need to get a good angle on this guy. Good Lord, I put that one on there good. I probably should have done a live thing. I ain't no good at that. What we got there? Where is he broken? Oh man, don't tell me. No, it is broken in there. I snapped that bugger. Alright then. Towel. I got no towel in here? Are you kidding me? Anyway. Alright. I'm gonna tear into this guy. I bet I'll talk with that guy and get that thing out of the way. What the hell I got? Oh, excuse me. Good times, good times. Anyway, yeah, I'm an idiot. There we go. Come on, Junior. Come on out. I ain't got no flathead in there. Nope, probably not. Come on, you little devil. Come on in there. Pop on out. There you go. Oh, yeah, I got that stupid thing on there. Okay, now. Like, this thing's got brakes. Let's see. Whoa. That bugger almost went flying. Anyway, you guys never get to see any of this kind of shit from me because, you know, well, I'm always doing other shit or working all the damn time. But here it is. These long form videos never really go anywhere anyway. There probably ain't nobody gonna watch this shit anyway. Alright, I got it out of the way. Hey, what the hell? I mean, really, what the hell? That was just... Now I gotta tear into to figure it out, because there's some bitch working now. That thing was just free spinning all to hell. Of course, it's all rusted, it's all dirty. I gotta tear it apart anyway to clean it up. But yeah, wow, okay, that's actually kind of cool. Shit, I thought that thing was broken. Maybe, what the hell? That don't make any sense. That don't make no sense. I don't know. Where'd it go? Anyway. Yeah, I don't know what y'all got there. Everybody's got all kinds of stuff they're running, and it's cool. I'm relatively still kind of new at this kind of shit, but I've been a damn mechanic my whole life. Like 40 years of dumb shit. I built mud trucks and raced them and did all kinds of dumb shit so my neck's all probably screwed up. Come on. But this is definitely a lot lighter than the real things. And I can appreciate that. And by golly, when these things wreck, it doesn't hurt my neck at all. Doesn't hurt my back. When they flip over, I just flip them back over. A lot less painful, a lot cheaper actually. Doing something like this gig here. In a real truck, this truck will be down for probably the duration, because I wouldn't even have money to fix anything like this. Hell no. As it is now, my retirement is pretty much death. I ain't looking forward to retiring. I would. I need to win a lottery or something. Just do this kind of shit for the rest of my days. That'd be fun as... I won't even say it. Anyway. Oh yeah, I got all these damn... But... Sorry, it's been a while since I tore this damn thing apart. But... Yeah, these definitely hurt a lot less when they wreck. Yeah, a lot of fun. I love them. They're like Lay's potato chips, though. You just can't have one. This one here I got. My honey bought this for me. We happened to pop into the hobby town there in Columbus, Georgia, just for shits and gigs. And I saw this damn thing sitting on the counter. And mind you, I ain't touched an RC truck in 35 years. And it was a cool truck, but it didn't near have the capabilities of anything like this. And I noticed all the 4-link suspension. I'm like, holy shit. I ain't never seen this. This is like a real truck. And I was in love, and I spent the better part of about, I don't know, 6-8 months convincing myself that no grown man my age need be playing with damn toys. So I talked myself out of it. And then come to Christmas. Can't believe that thing's working. Yeah, then come Christmas. I forget what year it was. It was 4 years ago. And yeah, she sprung it on me Christmas Eve. And I was hooked. Yeah, it was at first I was like, oh shit, I ever talked myself out of this. But so I took it down there to Florida. And yeah, I went nuts. Man, that thing ain't broke. What in Sam hell was causing that shit? Okay, I'm intrigued. Oh yeah, that's gonna come out. Okay. Yeah, what the hell? That doesn't make any... Well, why the hell would it... Somebody's got to be broken here. Something's got to be broken. Ooh, what's that? Oh, that's... wow. Probably some of the stuff that I thought I broke it with. What the hell? That's... Well, that don't make no damn sense at all. The hell? That don't make any sense. This thing was literally freewheel. It was like a broken axle. Well, that's freewheeling a little better now. I mean, this guy's dirty as hell, but damn, I can't even get that apart. Come on, little chaps, come on out of there. Yeah, well. Yeah, I gotta do some serious cleaning on that son of a bitch. What the hell? That's, very interesting. That don't make any sense. Hell, the bearing's still good. What the hell? Why would it... Legit, it's felt like this thing was snapped. And really, it should have snapped, because... Holy shit, I got into this, some really deep woods over there across the road, and, my dumb ass doesn't, I stop what I'm doing before I destroy my truck. I don't have that ability, apparently. So I kept railing it in the deep grass, and pretty soon it got out, but I swear that was broken. Man, I wonder if I destroyed the dip. No, it don't make no sense, because this tied into that, and these two were completely separated. That doesn't mean... What in the funk was that? Hell, that still looks good, too. Wow. What in the hell? Well, let's stick it in there and see if we can... maybe I destroyed the... Nope, that son of a bitch is still working good, too. It's like magic. What the hell? Yeah, crazy. That don't make any sense. That don't make no sense at all. How the hell is that even possible? Alright, little better. I'm gonna have to break you loose too, 'cause I got to get in here. There's all kinds of shit in here. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, there he is. No, it's still in the back too. Come on, Junior. Yeah, okay. I think I done figured it out. Yep, it's that stupid little pin right there. Where's that little skinny guy? Yippers. Well, apparently I don't need an axle, but I got a few ordered, so, yeah, Chris, Hobbytown, yeah. I've still got yeah, when they come in, I'm going to need them, but, I'm going to keep them for spares. Hell, I just need a pin for this one, bitch. No wonder it spun out. Okay. Far out. I bet the other part's still stuck in this son of a bitch. Yep, right there. I can't believe I didn't bring a rag in here, though. Big dummy. Alright, come on now. See if I can pop that bugger loose. Yeah, just A little shear pin. Cool. Right on. It's kind of weird how it hooked though and started working. But yeah, that's the cause. I'll put a video here up here somewhere, kind of show you what caused that. Yeah, I get in that deep grass. It's like the third time I've done this. I get in that deep grass, and that son of a gun is like, I ain't going, and I keep railing into it back and forth, and it wrapped up so much grass and thick weeds around it. But yeah, it actually broke loose from it, but I snapped that shear pin. Yeah, 3-wheel drive the whole time in Illinois. And all I needed was a damn shear pin. That's fine. Done been figured out. So I gotta go through anyway. I gotta clean it all up. Obviously, you can tell how nasty it is. Too many times, yeah, it's like it goes swimming a lot. But yeah, what a fun truck, man. Fun. It's a beast. Cool. Right on. Appreciate it. That's cool. Right on. Yeah, where's the other half of that stupid thing? It's in there. Anyway, I'll get out of your hair now because I done figured this out. If you want me to do a video on tearing the whole damn thing apart, just let me know. Write it up in the comments or whatever the hell. Alright. Man, that's kind of cool because that's all it was. Sure. I love shit like this. Such a simple little nothing. Gotcha. I gotta clean up anyway. Gotta tear all 4 of them apart and clean them up. Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot of my weight in the front. These brass, man. These things are great. All that weeds in there. But cool. Right on. Yeah. I'll get out of y'all's hair now because done been figured out. I think I got a shear pin around here somewhere. Somewhere. Probably not. Might want to order some of them, Chris. I might have 1, 2 laying around here somewhere. There's so much shit in here. I gotta reorganize this. I think it's just a trash mess in here. It's like my actual garage outside too. I built it to keep my Corvette covered, and now there's so much shit in there I can't even get the car in it. But it's fine. Yeah, this really thick weeds. This is actually the thin stuff. The thicker stuff was really bad. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, that video, that's I think I still got it. I may have deleted the damn thing already. But yeah, it's I get in them deep weeds. It's common sense tell you to stop. Just pull it out. Pull the weeds out. Nope, not my dumb ass. Just keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. Yeah, go or blow. Yeah, it blew. This time I just took a shear pin, so that's cool. Right on. All right, guys, I'll get out of your hair now. Hey, I appreciate all you guys, man. This has been a fun, wild ride. Good times. Appreciate y'all. All right, guys. Later.